Hey everyone, this is a recording for those of you who have missed this morning's meeting. I wanted to make sure that you had all the information about the final exam. So the final exam is going to be on Wednesday. I will send out an email with the questions at 9 a.m. and you will have to send me your responses all in one PDF document by 7 p.m. So the way I foresee this is that I will send you 1 or 2 pages of the questions, and there should be about 6 or 7 questions, some with parts overall. And you will use a page for each question to answer each question, and the page can be yours. It can be aligned, it can be graph paper, whatever you'd like. So then, so question 1 will be on page 1, question 2 will be on page 2, etc., etc. If you need more, that's fine. But then what you will do is at the end of the exam, you will scan it, use a PDF scanner, and send it to me all in one PDF by email by 7 p.m. At the beginning of the exam and at the end, the first and the last page, will include a intellectual honesty statement. We are all in the profession of education, so we all need to be examples of highest morals and highest intellectual honesty. So I'm expecting that everybody will be doing their own work. You can reuse resources. You can use the videos, the instructional videos that I've recorded. You cannot use each other. You cannot work together on this. And I would also strongly urge you to avoid any websites that are not ones we have used for educational purposes this year. So things like ask.com and question at Yahoo or whatever, those are not sanctioned, and I expect to be able to trust you to not do that. Generally, they're not very good at providing answers for the level of reasoning and studying that we had been doing. Generally, they provide answers for laymen who are not educators, and the answers aren't always very good, so it's not even worth attempting to use them. Also, what I've done is I've just posted on Piazza last semester's midterm exam with the solutions, student solutions. So the purpose for that is that you can see what kinds of solutions I think are excellent. So the solutions that I've included were pages from actual students' exams from last year who got full points for that question. So you can see, based on those explanations and those solutions, what level of explanation I'm expecting. Also, I've posted the last year's final exam, so you can kind of see what kind of questions I can expect. You can expect in terms of algebra blocks and other topics. So that's a good resource for you. Also, finally, the one comment I have about the current grades. The current grade is calculated, as you saw on Blackboard. Though that current grade does not include the calculation of dropping the lowest 3 tickets to leave, and it does not include the calculation of above and beyond vouchers. So you will see a slight improvement in your grade because of those 2 calculations that I haven't yet made. But still, I wish you the best on the final. If you have any questions, I will let you know how and when I'll be available for questions. And in the meantime, feel free to email me and ask anything you need. Have a good one.